Lobster rolls are amazing, but they're a little bit expensive. So today we're gonna save our money and make some delicious shrimp sliders instead. Because if there's one thing I've learned is that money can't buy happiness. Although shrimp makes me happy. And money can buy shrimp. Well, I guess money can buy happiness.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
We're gonna start by cooking up some bacon, because as we all know, bacon and shrimp is a match made in heaven. Like me and Sabrina Carpenter could be. Guess we'll never know. I'm cooking up about 3 to 4 slices of bacon. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. That's that me espresso. Cook your bacon. Woo! Ow! Ow! Relax, bacon, I'm not here to hurt you. The bacon is ready. Bacon is cooked, let's move on. See these? Those are chives. We're gonna chop them up. Chop your chives. We're gonna toss our chives in a bowl. Everyone goes in. Everyone goes in, no stragglers, no survivors. And chop up a little bit of tarragon. We are tarragon off the deep end. Put that in a bowl as well. Now we're gonna get some pickled jalapeños. Are you still good? Ooh. Ow. Still good. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know I'm that jalapeno. That's enough carpentering. In the bowl we go. Onion time. I'm removing the onion skin, but don't worry, it has like 27 other skins. Now we're gonna do a little fine dice. Little pile of secrets. In the bowl, bacon. Chop up your bacon. Bacon goes in the bowl as well. Bacon. Now I'm gonna toss in about 2 cups of Nordic shrimp. Look, they're like these little tiny shrimps. They're super small and sweet. Like me. Yum, 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 yum. Shut up. Shrimp goes in. Now I'm gonna add in a big spoon of sour cream. Some people like to use mayo, but I find the tanginess of the sour cream goes super well with the sweetness of the shrimp. Boop, 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 boop. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of sriracha for some heat. Un petit peu de chaleur. A little bit of Old Bay seasoning. Old Bay seasoning. A little bit of lemon juice. Ooh, juicy. A little bit of oregano. A little bit of freshy cracks. And now we mix it. Mix, 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 mix. Now we're gonna toss these in the fridge while we prepare the bread. A little bit of olive oil, just a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of gochugaru on top. Yeah. And a little bit of Maldon sea salt on top. Now we're just gonna crisp this up in the oven. And now we wait. Now that our bread is toasted, it's time to fill it with our shrimp. Finish it with a little pickle garnish on top. Shrimp sliders. Let's cut to the cinematic stuff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Lobster who? Bye friends. Shrimp! I love you, shrimp!